Best ways to earn $20,000 per month through email marketing. When you come across the title, you might initially think it's impossible for anyone to earn $20,000 per month just by sending emails. However, I can actually prove that it's possible. To start off, let's take a look at some statistics. There's a person who I personally know, and he has a total of more than 1,500 emails, and he's earning over $20,000 per month. These numbers are legitimate, and he can be found on Discord if you want to ask him if this is true. I tell you that his way of earning this much money is totally easy and legit. It may seem illogical and unbelievable that there are some people who are earning significant amounts of money by simply sending emails, especially since most people send emails every day without receiving any payment. However, there are indeed people who are making a substantial income through email marketing. In this video, I'll show you how this is possible and provide you with insights on how you can do the same. Please don't skip any part of this video as it's important for you to watch it in its entirety. This is an effective technique, and I'm going to make a web page alongside you to demonstrate precisely how it's done. I can guarantee that what I'm saying is legitimate because I have concrete evidence that proves that one can earn $20,000 per month by sending emails. You'll be surprised to learn that it doesn't require a significant amount of time. Although the initial setup may be time-consuming, once it's completed, you'll start earning money quickly. This technique is widely used by top affiliate marketers and is considered to be the most effective method. In most cases, when you engage in a conversation with someone who earns a significant amount of money through affiliate marketing, this is the primary technique they use, accounting for roughly 95% of their success. Fortunately, I know precisely how to get started, and I'm eager to share this knowledge with you. First, let me clarify why we're collecting emails. Essentially, we make money by sending emails, as I stated in the title and introduction of the video. However, we can't send emails if we don't have anyone to send them to, so we need to collect email addresses first. You may be wondering how we can collect email addresses since you don't have a large audience and people aren't interested in paying for anything. I'll demonstrate precisely how we can collect email addresses. It only took me roughly 20 minutes to complete, including the 5 minutes I spent on it before recording this video. We'll discuss this further in detail during the video. There's one critical issue that you may have overlooked. What exactly are you selling? It's evident that you need to sell something to make money, as Google AdSense isn't going to pay you for sending emails. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a trading group as an example. I own my own affiliate program, and I sell a trading group that I run with a team of professional traders. My affiliates heavily promote this product, and that's why I'm promoting in this video. I'm collecting emails from individuals who are interested in the trading group program to make a substantial amount of money. Since people are interested in making a lot of money through trading, I'm offering a free 1-year membership to those who enter their email. They're likely to enter their email since getting something for free is better than paying for it. After collecting their email, I can send them emails containing discount codes. Since they're interested in my product, they'll probably purchase it. To effectively promote your product, you need to collect emails from potential customers who are interested in your landing page. It may take some time for them to make a purchase, but promoting your product through email is a great way to keep them engaged and interested. We'll discuss how to promote your landing page and target interested individuals later on. To avoid being too spammy, you can send these email subscribers weekly or even monthly emails with promotions such as a 10% discount code or a quick sale. The frequency of these emails depends on your product and your audience. You can use tools like GetResponse to send out these emails. I personally have a 15% discount code for my trading program and use it as a way to entice people to sign up. To get started, go to your GetResponse account, and this is where you would make a landing page. You can use an editing tool to easily create one. Just piece everything together and it's straightforward. It's important to have your product on the landing page, which is what potential customers will see. I understand you're concerned about not having a product, but I can guide you on how to acquire one. Before that, let me explain how to create a landing page. Firstly, you need to click on the Tools option and select Landing Page. From there, you can easily create a landing page. You can easily modify landing page templates and GetResponse, and there are several to choose from. You can use this legal services template because it allows for a video. It also looks clean and performs well. If your product already has a video, you can use that on the landing page instead. The structure of the landing page includes a logo, a video, and a catchy phrase. The goal is to attract potential customers by providing them with a benefit in exchange for giving their email address, such as the free 1-year membership. It's possible that individuals may assume a trading group that generates more impressive profits will come with a high price tag, perhaps around $100 per month. So by telling them that they have an opportunity to be members for free in a year, they'll give their email addresses with no fuzz because it costs them nothing to give them. There are people who think that maybe they don't need it now, but they are pretty sure that they might need this kind of company one day, so they don't hesitate in giving out their email addresses. Our main goal here is to collect as many email addresses as we can. You can also give away free products, regardless of the price, when they sign up with your email address. People are always happy when they hear someone is giving away free stuff. Always make sure that your landing page has all the necessary information that will entice people. Choose a template that you think is the best, and don't forget to place your logo. Again, you can have any type of product. Many people may wonder why they don't have anything free to offer as a promotion. You can explore affiliate programs like ClickBank. Remember, having an affiliate program is crucial, and depending on what you want to promote, you can create your landing page accordingly. If you want to use someone else's video or content to promote an affiliate product, you should be careful and get permission first. Once you have permission, you can use the content to create your own landing page and replace the video or logo with your own. For example, if the product is related to sales, you can offer a free program or course in exchange for email signups and use those emails to send promotional messages about sales or discounts. The landing page can be promoted in various ways to attract potential customers. To promote the landing page, you can use various methods such as posting on forums, using social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and placing the link in your bio to get more conversions. You can collect emails from the landing page and send them promotional emails periodically. Additionally, you can try using Facebook ads and share your journey on them. This method is considered the top one for affiliate marketers worldwide. If you're willing to try email marketing, you can watch more videos or read articles that focus on it. There are tons of resources that are readily available now, especially if you want to earn extra income. A lot of people tend to forget that it's possible to earn money even while at home. There are a lot of side hustles that they can do to increase their income, and one of these is email marketing. I'm not saying that this will make you rich in a short span of time. You'll still need to work really hard, be more determined, and be consistent in doing this. This way, you can strongly build your brand. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.